You've probably heard of this concept SNR, the signal to noise ratio. And what we do is we look at that ratio to come up with how good a quality we have of an actual transmission, if you would, or the radio frequency. So as an example, we say if a radio receives a signal of minus 85 dBms, so there's that Wi-Fi signal right up there, and it's at minus 85. And I know that sounds bad to say minus 85, but you'll learn more about that as we get into some of the other parts of radio frequency. And the noise floor is measured at minus 100 of the dBms. What we do is we look at the difference between the received signal and the background noise, and the difference between those is what? Minus 15 dBm? If I did that right in math? Yes, I think so. If I subtract another 15 from 85, I get to minus 100. And so what we would say then is that the signal-to-noise ratio is 15 decibels, which gives us an idea of how it's going to affect the overall quality of the Wi-Fi signal.